Alright, so I'm going to be throwing on this Surefire KM2, which is a vampire version. Has both white and IR. I'm going to throw this on the MCX here because eventually I'll throw on a D-ball onto this one. And then I'll throw this dual fuel Scout onto this one here because I don't think I'm going to be doing any D-balls on this one. So should work just fine like this. I won't need any IR for this 16-inch upper here, which is a pretty nice upper that I built. It's all Aero Precision except for the Geisy rail here. American Defense 30mm scope rail, and then the EOTech Voodoo. I have a Geisy charging handle on this as well. And then yeah, I'm just gonna throw this one onto the MCX here. Try to put it as far out as I can. Like I said, later, once I figure out either, I don't know, man, I really want a maul to throw on here to the front, but I don't know if I'm gonna, the thing's expensive, and the D-ball A3s are just like 1,200 bucks compared to the other ones, which 1,200 bucks is still a lot of cash. So I don't know, I'll probably throw like one of those Steiner cheaper models that are a little bit smaller, just to get the IR laser, since I already have IR illumination with this. And then we'll see how I set it up. I'm also going to throw this Magpul bipod onto this upper here, since this is like the scope version, or the scope rifle that I have, the only scope rifle. So I'll probably throw this Magpul bipod on it and see how that works out. Front too, I guess. I don't want to put tension on that. Perfect. Right, so